Yesterday, first, I'm sorry about the noise. This is a live video. I don't record in the studio or nothing. This is the real thing, on the boat, on the job. So first, thank you for watching. Welcome to my channel once again. And yesterday when I started recording this video about FSM on a 300 verado, how to replace it, the first part of the video, I don't know if I deleted or I don't know what the hell I did with that shit. I almost died yesterday when I hit a truck. I had to stop at around 1, go into the car and get some AC because it's blazing right now here. If you see the sky behind me, it's blazing right now here in Florida. But the first time of the first part of the video, that was about where is the FSM and how access to that. I didn't. I erased it, or I don't know what the hell I did with that. So I'm gonna show you what I record. This is the engine. When I arrive to the engine, this is the two cowlings that you have to remove. Has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. They go here against this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. And here goes the metal part that cover the FSM. This is the FSM here. I got a metal part that covers here. So first you're gonna remove this, the chocks on the engine, and second you're gonna remove the metal part, that is this one here. Let me show you guys, because I'm gonna install it right now. Alright, this one here. Now I'm gonna install it because I already finished, and then I'm gonna start the engine. Thank you for watching once again, and I'm sorry about that, but look at that sun, it's killing me here. All right, watch the whole video, please. One of the bolts was broken already. The FSM is here, is this module back here, so I have to remove this cover to get to change it. Let's do it. We go from there. I will keep filming when I have it off completely. Well, we're almost done with the cover. We get it out. I lose it with the breaker bar because they have a lot of corrosion inside the hole. I first use a breaker bar and then my ratchet, and then I use my ratchet. But you see, if you don't use a breaker bar, you cannot remove. It's a lot of corrosion. Like that. Off. You can see. Wait a second. You can see the FSM. This is a percent fuel module. We're gonna be replacing it. And that's the one that started the whole fire. I'm gonna have to cut it because don't even let me take it out. Here you see the cables, how they melt for some reason. Anyway, let's replace this baby. It should be full of fuel, so I will use the same covers so the pump don't drop any fuel on my car. The blue ones are water, the red ones are fuel. That's it. Now, take this one out. Okay, you see the fuel coming out. So I'm gonna put one of those here. Let's take the other one. A little bit more fuel. We put another one here. Boom, 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 and last one. Now we're ready to remove it. All these I do it with this breaker bar because it's really a lot of salt water in here, a lot of corrosion. So It's a nightmare to make it out. You can use an impact, but if you use an impact, you could damage the bolt or strip it because that's a stainless steel on an aluminum cast. And now we have here the plug. Let me show you guys. This is how the cable runs from the bottom, and don't let the water go up here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop my recording and I'm gonna take this out. There's fuel coming out, so you take this plug and the whole cable gonna go underneath this and come out here. Give me a sec. Okay, I run the new wire for the new pump. It's already on the other side. When I'm gonna put this, I always put a little bit of no, because this is a rubber boot and needs a pain in the ass sometimes to get it there. So we just put it and push it. Boom. He got it there. That's it. That's the way you put it on. Just a little bit of lubricant and he go in by himself. Now we put the hose that go on the other side first. Alright. And now we can put the pump back.
A minute.
Houston, we have a problem from the factory. The water outlet is damaged, so the only thing that I can do is buy some epoxy and glue it on. So sometimes when you're on the field, you encounter problems like that. I went to the auto part and bought some JB wheel, the best thing in the world, to glue the water nickel on the other side that come off. So I'm gonna tie my pump back. So ready, replace. Sorry, we are in a marina. The forklift is moving stuff around. Now let's put the hoses back. Fuel hose, marking hose, water hose, the other fuel hose. All right. So the only thing that I'm missing is this water hose that go on this side, right here. And I will put it on when this is dry. So let's glue it on, and that's the way you replace the FSM on a 300 verado. Thank you for watching. I see you.